Hi all, I'm Quick from QuickITDotNet and today we are going to understand how to use if in Express.js with jade. To understand this, what we are going to do is, as the last lecture we have understand for loop will try to show only the even numbers here. To do this we can use if statement here like I mod 2 equal to 0, and if this statement is true then only we will show li. Control S. So by doing this, let's see the what is the output. I can see only the even statement. So by doing this we can use the if statement. Thank you. If you want to learn other technology like this, you can contact us. Thank you.